Introduction to arithmetic. Progression. Which is an AP. So definition of an AP is a sequence of numbers which increases by a constant amount, and this constant can be in a positive and negative and the starting number is the first term, which is denoted by A. Hence, the second term or T2 is A plus D, comma, then third term T3 is A plus D, which is equals to A plus 2D, and so on. First term is denoted T1, which is A, and the second term which is T2 or A plus D. Then third term T3, then A plus 2D. Then fourth term which is T4, is the A plus 3D, and the nth term which is A plus open bracket n minus 1 close d. So the general formula is T n equals a plus open bracket n minus 1 close d. And for finding the difference T2 minus T1 equals T3 minus T2, which is equals to common difference. Then example 1. What is the 15th term of an AP, which is first term minus 5, comma, minus 2, comma, 1, dash, dash, question mark. Solution. First, find the common difference which is T2 minus T1 equals T3 minus T2, which is equals to minus 2 minus open brackets minus 5 close equals minus 1 plus 2, then minus 2 plus 5 equals 3, then which is 3 equals to 3. And the answers are equal. So the common difference is 3. And the first term is negative 5. So D equals 3. And A equals minus 5. And the 15th term is T15 equals A plus open bracket N minus 1 close D, which is minus 5 open bracket plus open bracket 14 3, then equals to 3 times 14, so negative 5 plus 42. So the final answer is 37, which is T15. Then B, which which term is 28. So T28 equals A plus open bracket n minus 1 G. 28 equals minus 5 plus open n minus 1 close 3. Then 28 equals minus 5 plus 3n. If we multiply 3 times n, which is 3n, minus 3 times 1, which is 3. Then 28 equals minus 5 plus minus 3 plus 3n, which is minus 8 plus 3n. So negative 8 plus 3n equals 28. Then 3n equals 28 plus 8. 3n equals 28 plus this one, which is 6, divided by 3, which is equals to n equals 12.